Hello viewers, and welcome back to Cooking and DIY. This is my son's room, a drawer in my son's room. As you can see, this is a broken drawer, and I'm going to show you how to fix this very easily and cheaply. I'm just gonna remove everything, take the drawer out, and then see what I can do. As you can see, it's full of stuff still. Now this is a drawer. As you can see, a lot of it is damaged. Same thing for this other side here, and this is the front. So I'm gonna try and like these areas just to trim it off or shave it off, and then take things from there. I've done the prep work just to scrape off some of the excesses that was breaking off. I'm gonna try and put this neatly back on. This front back onto the drawer, you can see it's nice and plumb. So I don't want this to be shifted, so I'm gonna make sure that I've braced it. Maybe if you have some glue, you probably could have glued it, so that helps to keep it in place, but I don't have any glue, so I'm gonna leave it as it is. It's nice and firm as it is. So my next task will be to make some markings inside the drawer, because what I'm gonna use to hold it in place is some brackets. As I said to you, I'm gonna use some brackets. This is what the bracket look like, if I just show you. And for a pack of 10, it cost me £1.58, so this is very cheap, and this is all I'm buying. The other stuff, like screw, which I'm gonna use, you know, I have them at home, so I never had to buy those sort of stuff. So this is nice and snug, back how it should be. What I'm gonna do is just to make some markings. First one, will be here. I'm using these screws, they're very short. I would prefer to have screws similar to the bracket, similar to the color of the bracket, but I couldn't find any, so I'm going to use these black ones. Driver to screw the brackets in. However, if you don't have a drill driver, you can use a screwdriver just the same. Yeah. Right, first one. Job now completed, and I'm just going to replace the drawer in its rightful place. Perfect. And the face is also nice and firm. So all I need to do now is just replace a think my son has his scarf and hats and stuff inside there, so that's all left to be done. So he's gonna come home now from school later and see that his jaw is fixed like brand new. Thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate your support. Please remember, give me a thumbs up, leave a positive comment and subscribe. Goodbye.